Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only legitimate way for you to download any YouTube video from the YouTube platform. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. Then you want to scroll down and you want to look for a video that you want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this video over here. You want to click on the three dots on the right side under the video, right? And you want to click download video. There is two options that you can actually pick from 720 quality to 360 quality. I understand you might be disappointed that there isn't an option with full HD or 4K download availability, but there is even worse news. To be able to download the video, you gotta subscribe to YouTube Premium. The first month will be free as a free trial. The second month will cost you $18.99. Very important part is that on top of being able to download any video from YouTube, you will be able to watch videos on the platform without ads. This is part of the package. So I think for people who are not interested into watching ads and at the same time interested into downloading videos, I think this could be beneficial. But look what YouTube is actually giving you as additional information. Your membership starts as soon as you set a payment and subscribe with iTunes. So iTunes has to be linked as well. Your monthly charge will occur on the last day of the current billing period. They will renew your membership if you have an auto renewal. If not, well, then you have to do it manually. Again, guys, remember guys, the only legitimate way for you to download any content from the platform without having any issues with copyrights or any other issues is simply go through the actual YouTube download functionality. Don't use the third-party software. Something that you can probably use downloading Reels or downloading Instagram videos does not actually work as well over here because most of the videos over here are original content that also belongs partially to the YouTube. So go ahead, and if you really want to download, this is the way to do it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.